Oh, your back ain't bad at all. You got like 2 bumps on your back. It's just your face. It's going, it's clearing up.
If the shampoo gets on its like face, on its sideburns and stuff, that's probably what it was. What it is. Anything with charcoal helps. Tea tree helps.
Tea tree.
Yeah.
What's that?
You can find that kind of stuff at Marshall's.
That's a tea. It's a tree.
Anything mixed
tea
with
tree.
charcoal is really good. It helps. But if you get face mask or face wash, like anything that you're like face mask, only use that twice a week.
Hey, bad girl. Bad girl. Bad girl. Bad girl.
Hey, Abby.
Her name is Chicken Butt and Bad Girl.
Hey, Abby.
Bad girl.
Won't be long she'll be standing up like she's trying to get up. There you go. Grab out to the net.
She said no.
Yeah, that
Is what they said on the TV.
He had about 2 years ago.
Him?
Yeah, he was about 60 years old. He had a heart surgery and in recovery he died.
I don't go have no heart surgery.
I didn't know when they replaced something and it didn't work.
I'm gonna wait and croak when I'm supposed to croak.
This man get done with.
That's what happened to old Tommy Ritchie, you know, the one that used to work with us. He went in for some little old surgery and died on the operating
That old
table.
man, that Tommy that went to some of those meetings
Tommy
today?
Ritchie, yeah, he kind of talked funny.
Uh-huh.
That's like that girl that worked at, read the comment. That girl that worked at Children's Clinic, she was like, what, 32? And she went in to have some minor surgery and threw a blood clot and died.
Ear, nose, and throat.
Ear, nose, and
She had
throat.
something with her neck, or did she have some pain medicine?
I don't know.
I don't know, but she died that day too. She was 32 years old. Yeah, I remember.
And had 3 children, 3 small children. That's
Who
why I was
says
scared to go
I
get my tubes tied. I was like,
Who says I just got him new clothes when summer started and they are tight. He's got the moat jeans. Big man.
he's bound to have take after Calvin and Wendell. Where else is he getting this bigness from? It sure ain't Daddy. It sure ain't his daddy.
I was 6 foot tall when I was.
Yeah, right.
Teenager.
In your dreams.
You ain't never been tall. You say you've been, what, 5'5", and I believe you 5'3" now. You're shrinking.
Yeah.
She okay
When
in
I
there?
had my platform shoes, I was 5'6".
I guess so. They had 3 inches on them.
He is trying to.
You look like a girl wearing them platform shoes.
At the disco parties when they're
Platform
big
shoes,
Yeah.
bell bottoms, and puffy sleeves.
Lord have mercy, that's
I
too
was
much.
cool when
Nah, he wasn't cool.
country wasn't cool.
All them guys. How many fights you got in?
What am I gonna do while y'all at church?
At school?
Fix her something to eat, I guess.
I ain't hungry. That's the problem. I eat.
I eat every
You
day. I
ain't
want
eat this
tacos.
thing ever.
Taco Bell. Dan, Taco Bell.
No.
Taco Bell. Taco Bell. Just break it for my name. Say.
Let me go see if I got everything. Hey, booger.
Taco Bell.
You're
Taco
saying
Bell.
your own name.
Taco Bell is probably my name. Hey, bad girl. This is jail, huh? That's jail? This is jail? He's saying
You
this
know I
is
ain't got
jail.
sense enough to learn how to do a tax register.
Hey, why y'all putting
Here
this?
you are. Cash registers are simple nowadays. They do everything for you. All you do is scan it. Beep. Beep.